Alright, so I just received my lens it got delivered. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. Alright, so in this box is my camera lens. I haven't tried it or tested it out yet, so I'm really nervous. I really hope it fits and I hope that it works. So we're gonna open it up and check. Alright, so I have oh my god. Okay, these are sticky, so I need to go grab scissors. Open this up. Oh my gosh. Okay, there. Okay, there we go.
Sit on there, good.
I just gotta take this little cap off. Oh my gosh, it works! Oh my god, I'm so happy. This is a really nice lens. I don't even know if it's the same. Oh yeah, I guess it is. It just looks different.
Oh, you can pack it.
So a little bit about the lens. So it is the Sony optical steady shot 3.5-5.6 to 16-50. So basically I just ended up replacing the old lens. So when my camera ended up falling off the bed, it actually ended up hitting the lens first on the ground. So I didn't want to have to replace like the whole thing. So I'm really glad I just had to rebuy the lens. I actually ended up finding it on Amazon. I did go to London Drugs to try and buy it, but they didn't sell the lens separately. So I just ended up ordering it on Amazon, which I'm really grateful for. So I believe this was, I'll have to pull up the receipt on my phone. So I'll put everything in the video though, and I'll show you guys. Guys, I have been through so much with this camera. Like basically I've had 2 copies of this camera. The first one was one that I got given to me by my family. So basically my mom was gifted 2 cameras from a family member who had passed away, and she had known that I was kind of getting into filming, so I asked to borrow one. And I will get it fixed. I still have it, but there's something wrong with the camera, so I'm gonna have to get that fixed. But when I was living in Langley, I actually had somebody gift this camera to me for free, and they knew that I was making YouTube videos and stuff, so they were so sweet and they literally gave me this camera, you know. And it was so crazy because before that, before I was actually gifted it, I was praying to God and asking God to help me get a new camera, specifically the same camera that I have. I'll show you guys. So basically this is the older camera that I first, please excuse my eyelash, it's really annoying me. So basically this is the old camera that I was first given, or like that I first had. Okay, it's the Sony A6300. So it's a little bit of a newer version than this camera. This is the Sony A6000, and it's just a little bit older than the first one I had, so I'm definitely gonna try and get this one fixed. Yeah, I'm really happy with this and I can't wait to start filming. But yeah, I'm so relieved. So I'm gonna be filming some videos now. I'm so happy and I'm so grateful. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video and I'll see you guys back in my next one. Peace.